Hello, my name is Taylor. I'm a student at Boston University and one of the mobility interns here. This semester, I'm one of the 7 mobility interns at Boston Medical Center. So my job is to get those patients moving. The problem with a lot of hospitalized adults is when they go to the hospital, they just kind of lay in bed all day. If you're not moving around and you're not using your muscles at all, they'll start to deteriorate. So what the mobility interns do is we work with the patients to help them achieve their mobility goal for the day. Sometimes I'll practice doing sit to stands with patients, see if we can do a little bit of walking in the room, walk down the hallway. That's all I do, is I help them move. It was scary starting out, knowing that at some point I was going to have to be putting my hands on patients and having them trust me with their care, because I've never really been in this position before where I've been the one providing care. That's what I'm training to do eventually, right?
Thank you for being here with me.
Yeah, of course. Do you want to walk down that hallway a little bit or head back to your room?
No, I think I could keep going a little bit.
Awesome, let's keep going then. I really want to go into something like sports medicine, so this internship really fits along with that, where I'm getting patients to do physical activity and I'm helping rehab them. I knew that I wanted to go to med school, but also to solidify that a career in medicine is what I want. Like, I love working with people, I love working with the patients, and this internship has given me so much experience with that.